Hello guys. Welcome to TrickRadar, your tech mole. In today's video, we will learn how you can humanize AI written content, so let's get started. First, you must go to ChatGPT and get any dummy text from there. This is for reference. Then, go to Google and open the Bypass GPT website, which link is given in the description. On the screen that appears, paste the content you copied from ChatGPT. You will see that Bypass GPT will tell you that your content is AI-generated content. Now on the same page, you will see the Humanize tab. You must click on it. After clicking it, the Bypass GPT will generate humanized content for you, and it will also bypass all AI detection tools. Now, to check your AI written to humanized content, you must go to the GPT-0 website and paste the same content. After processing, the result will show you whether your content is humanized or AI-generated. Isn't this an amazing trick? For more tech hacks and tips, be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye and take care. Thank you so much for watching.